Welcome to this Martin Audio rigging tutorial for the TORUS constant curvature series. In this video we're going to look at the pole mount rigging procedure for the smallest member in our constant curvature range, TORUS T820. TORUS T820 can be supplemented by Martin Audio SX subwoofers and is designed to integrate acoustically with the SX-CF115 cardioid subwoofer in all configurations. To begin pole mounting TORUS T820, position your SX-CF115 cardioid subwoofer on the ground. Remove the flight case lid to expose the cabinet ready to connect the pole rig 20. Position your telescopic pole into the M20 pole mount located on the top of the subwoofer and screw it in securely. When pole mounting TORUS T820, you will require the use of the pole rig 20 pole mount bracket accessory. The vertical angle for a pole mounted TORUS can be adjusted based on the coverage requirement. Pole rig 20 allows the user to deploy up to 2 landscape T820 cabinets with varying aim angles from -10 to -30 degrees in 5-degree increments. When the cabinet is mounted in landscape, there are M10 threaded pole mounts in the top and bottom of each cabinet, along with locating pins to ensure correct and stable connection to the bracket. Decide which orientation you would like connected to the bracket so the HF horn can be positioned either left or right based on the deployment required. To connect the pole rig 20 to the cabinet, align the bracket's locating pins onto the cabinet's mounting position. Screw the handwheel into position and tighten securely. Safely lift the cabinet complete with pole rig bracket out of the flight case and place on your speaker stand or pole. Make sure the thumb wheel is tightened to guarantee the assembly is secure. Extend the height of the pole so the cabinet reaches an adequate height, thereby ensuring that it is directed at the listener's ear level. Whilst holding the rear of the cabinet, remove the rigging pin and set the required aim angle, placing the pin back into position to secure. T820 has a fixed dispersion of 20 degrees in the vertical and 100 degrees in the horizontal. De-rigging a pole-mounted TORUS T820 system is simply the reverse of the process from before. Lower the pole so that the cabinet is at a safe working height. Loosen the thumb wheel so the cabinet and pole rig can be removed. Safely lift the cabinet and assembly from the pole and place back into the flight case. Unscrew the pole from the M20 mounting point of the subwoofer. Pack away all of the accessories ready for transportation. Safely lift the SX-CF115 subwoofer onto its wheels in preparation for transport.